This folding grill counter is a great addition to any outdoor living space. Begin by determining the size you need. The width will depend on the space available, and the depth will be determined by the folding hardware bracket you choose. We're using 1x6 cedar for the top, so once 3 pieces of it are cut to length, we apply glue to their edges and join them together. We're using cleats on the underside made from the same 1x6. These cleats are positioned so they line up with the folding brackets. Attach the cleats with wood screws, but be sure they aren't long enough that they'll go all the way through both pieces of wood. Next, we're cutting some 1x2s from the cedar material. These pieces get miter cuts on the end so that we can use them to create a band around 3 outer edges of the counter. Wood glue and finishing nails will secure the banding. Now you can secure the brackets to the wall. Because this is a brick wall, we're using lead anchors in the masonry to attach the brackets, making sure they are perfectly plumb and level with each other. Once the brackets are secure, the countertop is put in place and secured with screws from underneath. Finally, we're sealing the cedar with a marine varnish to protect it from the elements.